All right, today's Mounjaro Monday. Shot, 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 shot. Sorry, the lighting is a little bit dark in here. I'm in a different location and it is 10 milligrams today. I'm in my 7th month of taking 10 milligrams of Mounjaro. Okay, so last time was the right, I think it was the arm. So I'm gonna do the left side, and since last month I did the arm, so I'm gonna do the arm or the stomach today. Drum roll please, which one is gonna be? Let's do the arm. Yeah, okay. So I took off the plunger, have my alcohol wipe all ready to go, and I have found, I don't know, at first it seemed like it was kind of hard to inject in the arm, but I'm finding it easier as I'm just getting used to it. And you want to look for your, like where there's more fat. I'm not even going to wait today to wait for it to dry. I'm just going to do it. So you're going to take it from the lock to the unlock position, but I'm going to do that after it's touching the skin. Just going to push that in there and turn it, and now we're going to push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We know we got it in there because I see a red dot. Go ahead and clean that off. Okay, so I have some things to share of what I've been up to. Okay, so today I weighed 176.6. Yesterday it was 176 even. And funny, I was doing a lot of physical work out in the heat. It was 114 degrees here yesterday. And let me just make sure that's good. Okay. And I weighed a pound less when I was getting ready to get into the shower than I did in the morning. But I was sweating it out. So, but anyway, it returned to normal, 176.6. What is that, the new normal? I started the beginning of last week at 178. My husband was 181, so I'm now below him, which is kind of a rare thing. And yeah, when we met, he was like 125 in high school. So I didn't do it, just so you can kind of see. My legs are finally slimming down. That's the last part of my body that I really want to see some improvements. And then look at this shirt. This is a large. It's Cozy Earth, and when I first got it, it was shorter on me than it is right now, and now it's like longer, and it was like it fit just right. Now it's like longer, it feels bigger. I mean, it is bigger. I'm like, wow, I could actually go to a medium. I really like the Cozy Earth. I'm not trying to sell anything. I really like the Cozy Earth material. It's bamboo, and it's like super soft. So I have pajamas in this fabric. I have sheets, all from Cozy Earth. I do have a discount code, so if you want, I can always just message me and I'll send that to you, because I can even give you my friends and family code, just because it's an expensive brand, and I want to make sure that it's can be more affordable. That's how I bought it. I used a code from Kristen and Michael. They have an Airbnb in Joshua Tree, and they get their sheets from Cozy Earth. And so I started doing the same thing. And now I have a code that I think it always gets you 40 or 45% off. But I have a friends and family to give you like a 50% off here and there. So just message me. I'm not trying to sell anything. That's not my thing. I'm not trying to be an influencer. I just want to be I'm just trying this new channel. I think now been on it for 2 months, maybe going into 3. And hey guys, and I got I think it's 119 subscribers, I mean. So, or 123, it's something like that. So I was impressed when it was getting close to 100. I really would like to see it get to 500 and then 1,000, but we'll celebrate at each increment. Just because I want to see what would that mean if I could get monetized. I do video shorts here and there. They're kind of funny, or try to do something that's either funny or makes fun of something, or just kind of catches your attention, just to see what it would do, because it's all new to me. And like for me, I feel like it's going to be, if I ever get monetized, it would be to help my grandson who is battling leukemia. He's in his second year, and his food costs, just trying to get him to eat, he's definitely, he has an opposite effect. He needs to gain weight and he keeps losing weight. So his food, it gets expensive trying to make sure, because he'll try it and then he gets sick. So that would be what we would be looking into. And then we just try to do all the things to take him on trips as much as we can. He had to cancel. He didn't get to go to the Blink 182 concert on Saturday. He's been having some leg issues with some bone issues that are happening because of having chemo. So here we go. I'm going to show you some things of what I've been doing. I've been showing you some of my DIY, which I used to do a lot of. I laid my own backsplash in my kitchen. I've painted lots of times. Years and years ago, I even prepped, and me and my husband poured a cement. One time I prepped curbing, and I did cement curbing. Like, I've done a lot of things. Me and my daughter, we both laid sod at our last house. So she's preparing her house to be rented and doesn't have all the time to do it. So I've been doing a lot of stuff. Yesterday I was putting bark, spreading bark, and it was 114 degrees. And it was a task. And then I did some other things. So I'll show you that. I'll insert those videos before we go. My beginning of my journey of weight loss, December, at the very end of December 2022, I was inspired, my grandson inspired me to get started on this. And since then I've lost I've been at 313, and then today I'm at 176. When I started Mounjaro, I had lost 45 pounds from December 2022 until July 2023. Just by exercise, by walking, I even like 10 minutes of walking, low carb, and then I increased my walking time. But once I found out I had type 2 diabetes, I started taking Mounjaro. And I think my first dose wasn't actually until the beginning of August 2023. So the beginning of next month is my 1 year on Mounjaro, and I'm staying to 10 as long as possible because it's working. And then maybe once I hit a goal weight, then I'll go down to 7.5. And yeah, I'm at 176. I'm 5'4", and I'm 54 years old. I'll be 55 next month. So because I'm older, whenever now that I've lost a lot, you lose weight from your face first. I've lost these fat pads, and so it makes me look older. Skin's drooping. Yes, I do look like a melted candle. And so that's what happens. And that's not a Mounjaro thing. That's just losing weight. Like, it's not, this is from losing weight. I had gastric bypass 24 years ago. I'm almost at my 24th anniversary from that, August 16th, 2000. And I was 310 at the beginning of that surgery and got down to, I think it was like 155. Wasn't at 155 for very long. I was sitting more like 160, 165. So we'll see. I'm just going to see where this takes me. Like, I just want to be healthy, and I have a huge hernia that needs to get fixed, and they said there's no point in repairing that until I lost weight. So I've got to get that done. I'm not looking forward to it because anyway, all the things. So I want to share with you what I've been up to, and let me know in the comments like what you would like to see me cover. If you have any questions, do you want to know more about what I eat in a day? Things like that, okay? And I think it'd be really cool if we did an emoji today of the summer sun, because we are hot where I'm at right now, Central California, and we're above 110 all week. Next week, hopefully I can get back over to the beach, and I'll send you some do videos of the beach. All right, guys, have a good week. Shot, 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 shot. Bye, friends. It was so fun using this saw. And here's just a close-up. Did really good. And then I was using some paint to paint the handle, glossy white. I cut this oak piece of wood, transition piece, and I had to put a baseboard at the bottom of that cabinet. And I replaced all these vertical blinds. Here's me outside cooking in 114 degrees. And I just caught myself in an image in the window. And I thought I would show this American Spirit in one of the houses. And after our plumber did this repair, I used this backling and did the drywall. And here's after it dried, and I sanded it. And then after it had paint, I feel like I'm doing much better at my spackling. And I replaced the glass globes here and one light bulb. Here's another look at that oak transition piece. And here's me giving myself a reward for losing weight. A Louis Vuitton purse. Oh my goodness. Oh, and here's the bark. I was spreading the bark around yesterday. Another view of that. Whew, in 114 degrees, mind you. And I think we need a couple more bags. I trimmed those bushes the prior weekend. And I had spread the bark in the front. And lastly, this is us putting up a shower rod. Thought it was funny.